The spread of mental illness among displaced people adds another burden to their humanitarian suffering in Yemen. They are suffering from the conflict, displacement, poverty, and other things. This report has more details.
In Ma'rib's displacement camps, danger has transcended epidemics and lack of services to the catastrophe of psychological and neurological illnesses ravaging the displaced community. Years of war and displacement have left a generation bearing deep wounds of loss and destruction, fueled by dire living conditions and the lack of security. These wounds are no longer confined to the soul, they have also transformed into a catastrophe threatening families, with hundreds on the brink of disintegration and loss.
The number of cases suffering from mental illness is increasing every day. It's getting worse and worse. There is at least one case in every home. This is due to neglecting mental health and lack of awareness.
Psychologists warn that the continued absence of psychological support centers in Ma'rib threatens to transform the crisis into a comprehensive societal catastrophe, as untreated psychological wounds become a weapon that destroys families and tears apart the social fabric. This makes the establishment of specialized psychological support centers an urgent necessity to avoid this catastrophe.
Ma'rib Governorate is one of the governorates that is psychologically devastated due to the dire need that people have reached. The city hosts 3 million displaced people with extremely limited health care services and few number of doctors. There is absolutely no psychiatric hospital or any kind of psychological support here.
While the world celebrates mental health, Ma'rib suffers from a silent tragedy. 80% of displaced people suffer from mental disorders. These figures reveal the depth of the humanitarian disaster in Yemen and confirm that peace is no longer an option, but an absolute necessity to save people exhausted by suffering. A peace that restores stable lives to Yemen and the Yemenis, far from the scourge of war and its devastating psychological pressures.